Let's do this. Fire on, fellas, home. Let's go.
Oh shit.
Games, yo.
Fight. What the fuck is this background? Damn.
Hey, Bulls. We got tentacles and Bulls. Oh my God, the looks.
Hey, play in this round. Oh, Jordan's not playing anymore.
Oh, it's so godlike.
She's like, I only want to go to the supermarket today.
This shit?
No supermarket. No 2%.
Oh my God.
Shit. Oh, get out.
Gungra in the ass.
Open up.
We got the
where are you going? Where are you going?
Yes, the Bulls. Shout out to the fucking Bulls. Shout out. Come to Chicago, you fight the Bulls.
Yeah. I want to see more deer. I want to see him fight the deers. Where you go, Hogan? Why is his arm so fucking big it takes up half the screen?
It's a biohazard. Oh,
look, he's playing now. He gets a fight. Here we go.
Yes.
Here we go. Here we go. Here we go.
You gotta zoom that.
Yo, he's loyal. Hanzo guys are fucking Please use my brand. It's fine.
Oh shit. Okay, shit. Let's just see, man. Let's go. Icicles on screen. It's called heat.
Oh, yeah.
When you're in heat, you gotta fuck. And when you gotta fuck, you gotta oh, shit. Gungra's in. Yo, Black Lord, watch your fucking toe.
What's the score?
Shit.
2-0, final set for Gungra, game point.
Oh shit. Man, Nero's
Tournament point. Gungra versus Sima.
Okay.
Gungra on the left with Nero, Sima on the right. White land.
Oh, put your hands on him.
Oh.
You came to play.
Oh my God.
Let me get up. Alright.
Sima, oh shit. Got the alpha counter.
Put your hands on him.
Oh.
Good shit.
Man, I'm sure I'm so hyped up all the time right now.
It's gonna be.
It's got the stream right here.
Oh, no, dude.
Let's go, Sima.
3G.
Let's go, Sima. That's what's up. Bring it back.
She really wants to go to the market.
I know.
She wants that 2%.
She want that milk, dog. Reset the shit. Reset it.
Oh,
Man, how do you beat it?
oh my God, so big. That's what she said.
Hey. Go the combo.
Oh God, why is it so big?
Good alpha counter.
This set's actually convincing me not to play Melty. It's fucking great.
This says actively killing the scene right now.
This grand finals is killing Melty.
Fucking dead.
Oh shit. Okay, man.
This is the second year in a row, bro, Zach, and something hype happens every single time.
Yeah.
It's fucking great.
It's actually Bozak pulling the fire alarm. Oh no, he dropped it.
Don't get it.
Oh shit. No, the on the screen.
All right, guys, our alarm's done. We can all leave now.
Hey, they can go back in.
Last match. Last round.
Oh shit.
Maybe. Hold it out for
Yeah, maybe. I don't know.
Maybe.
Oh, dropped it.
Oh shit.
Aggressive reset. Let's go.
Watch your fucking toes.
Making
me set. You got the
Where you going?
Oh my God! Oh yeah.
The guy.
Oh my God! Yeah.